Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram post with multiple pictures. Now, I know what it's like when one picture just doesn't cut it. You need multiple pictures, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures to be able to really capture that moment or that event, party, whatever. So I'm going to walk you through steps to create a post with as many pictures as you want. So let's open up Instagram, and I'm just going to swipe to the right here, and instead of story I'm going to choose post here, and I will scroll down and choose one of these images. Now that I've chosen one of these images, if I want to choose more, all I have to do is tap the little square icon in the center right here, and it will give me the ability to choose multiple images. Now I can choose as many as I want, and you can see it says 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the order that it will show those images. So if you want to change that order, just unselect them and then reselect them. And all you have to do is keep selecting images. You can select as many as you want, and then hit the next at the top right here. And you can see that you'll have all of these images. You can apply filters to all of these. Just hit next at the top right, and then you can share it, including multiple pictures. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.